Everybody, welcome back. This is Randy here with Lantac, and in this short video, we're just gonna kind of give you a tip when installing any one of our muzzle brakes, our Lantac Dragon. So if you didn't know, these muzzle brakes do have vertical ports, not just horizontal ports on the side, so they do need to be timed, and that can kind of be a pain in the butt. So we've got a tip for you. Every muzzle device is going to come with, every one of the Dragons is going to come with basically one of these little bags full of shims. Now the shims are just spacers to help you align this so that when you torque it down properly, those vertical ports are aiming, correctly at the 12 o'clock position. So doing that can kind of be a pain in the butt. A lot of people will just take what they think will be the right shim thickness, thread their muzzle device all the way on, and then just try to fumble with frustration as you try to find the right combination of shims, and the process can be kind of time consuming. So one tip for you guys, just go ahead and thread the muzzle device all the way on the threads, almost to the end there, as if it had shims on it, and then just hold the shims off to the side. And what you're gonna do is basically use the side of the barrel and put the shims in the side and then tighten down the muzzle device and check spacing that way. Basically that lets you just back off the muzzle device just a little bit, adjust shim thicknesses, and then thread it on again, and you can usually find the shim combination that works best a lot faster that way. So once that's done, you just go ahead and torque the muzzle device down and you're good to go. For you guys who don't know, if you are planning on running a Dragon muzzle brake, and really this kind of goes as a general rule for anybody running a muzzle brake, first and foremost, if you're gonna run a light, make sure you get yourself a quality light. I've got here the Cloud Defensive Rain, and this is a very durable light, so if you're gonna hang something off there, kind of in the blast direction a little bit of these horizontal ports, you need a light that's gonna be good and durable and can kind of withstand the concussion that that brake's gonna give. Likewise, if you're gonna run a laser, this is kind of a chonky one, this is the D-Ball D2, but if you're gonna run a laser like this, make sure you run it far enough forward that it serves the purposes that you need, but not so far forward that you're going to impede some of these ports, these venting ports, the vertical ones and the horizontal ones. You don't want to kind of blast and damage and potentially hurt some of these laser diodes or kind of hurt your lasers. Those can be kind of expensive. You kind of want to avoid that. But as a general rule of thumb, if you're going to be running a laser at all, or if you're going to be running kind of that stuff for night vision anyway, just put a suppressor on your gun and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about that. So that is your range tip for the day, and we'll see you guys next time. Shoot. Gotta tighten that up.